Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best gaming monitor under 500. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the gaming monitors under 500 in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best gaming monitors under 500 on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Gigabyte M27Q. The Gigabyte M27Q is a multi-purpose model with a 27 inches screen that offers fantastic game immersion and outstanding functions. To prevent visuals from appearing washed out when seen from the side, it sports an IPS panel with wide viewing angles. It gets extremely bright to reduce glare, but it's not the best option for gloomy environments because of how gray the blacks look due to the low contrast ratio. But then, thanks to its 170 Hz refresh rate and superb reaction time, it offers an extremely smooth and responsive gaming experience. Fast-moving sequences display clean images, and to lessen screen tearing, it is compatible with G-Sync and FreeSync. Number 9. Acer Nitro XF243Y Pbmiiprx. One of the top 1080p gaming monitors under $500 that we've tested is the Acer Nitro XF243Y Pbmiiprx. It is a multi-purpose display with excellent gaming capabilities. It has a 24 inches screen, which increases the pixel density when compared to larger 1080p monitors and results in acceptable text and image quality. It is well made and exceptionally ergonomic, making it simple to set in the right position. Given that it includes features that the majority of gamers desire, the XF243Y offers excellent value for the money. It offers a native refresh rate of 144 Hz, which can be overclocked to 165 Hz, and it is natively compatible with FreeSync and G-Sync to lessen screen tearing. When playing high frame rate games, animation seems very smooth because there is little motion blur, but when playing low frame rate games, you need to turn off variable refresh rate support because it causes more inverse ghosting with 60 Hz content. Unfortunately, even though this monitor supports HDR, it doesn't add much, and it has a low contrast ratio, making dark blacks appear gray. Regardless, it gets bright enough to combat glare and has outstanding handling of reflections, making it a good option for well-lit areas. Overall, it's a fantastic 1080p gaming monitor that costs under $500. Coming at number 8, Dell S2722QC. Another incredible 4K monitor under $500 that we've tested for the office is the Dell S2722QC. Even though 4K monitors, particularly gaming monitors, are often more expensive than $500, you can still locate a few 4K office monitors in this price range. A 27 inches screen's pixel density is increased by the resolution, resulting in sharper images and text. It is well constructed and was created with productivity in mind. Its superb ergonomics allow you to swivel, change the height, and, if necessary, rotate it into portrait orientation. Additionally, it offers a USB-C interface that supports DisplayPort Alt mode, enabling you to simultaneously display and charge a compatible device like a laptop. Due to its ability to get bright enough to combat glare and effectively handle reflections, you won't experience any visibility concerns in bright spaces. The correct image will still be visible thanks to the broad viewing angles if you need to share your screen with someone sitting close to you. Coming at number 7, Asus ProArt Display PA278CV. The best 1440p monitor series for office use that we have tested falls around $500, and that is the Asus ProArt Display PA278CV. The 27 inches 1440p business and gaming monitor is excellent and has a ton of functions to boost productivity. It's a decent option for media consumption, content creation, and even some light gaming. You should be satisfied with this monitor because it won't break the money. Thanks to its excellent ergonomics, choosing a comfortable viewing position won't be a problem. It can rotate into portrait mode in any direction and features a wide range of tilt, swivel, and height adjustments. As a result of its effective control of reflections and ability to produce light bright enough to dispel glare in most areas, it is also ideally suited to bright office environments. And in case you need to share your screen with a colleague, it has an IPS panel with wide viewing angles. Number 6. Gigabyte M34WQ. The Gigabyte M34WQ is the best ultra-wide display we've tested that costs less than $500. If you like to open several windows simultaneously and don't want to purchase two monitors for a multi-display configuration, getting an ultra-wide screen is fantastic. It offers more horizontal screen space than a typical 27 inches 1440p display while maintaining good text clarity with its 3440 by 1440 resolution and 21:9 aspect ratio. It's a good all-around monitor with fantastic workplace functionality in addition to amazing gaming performance. It boasts native FreeSync compatibility and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. You'll have a fluid and responsive gaming experience thanks to its excellent response speed and reduced input lag. If you want to watch something while gaming, there are picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes, and it also includes a USB-C port, so you can connect it to a laptop. It also offers a few ergonomic adjustments, and it has wide viewing angles if you want to use it for co-opus gaming. Coming in at number 5, LG 27UK650W. The 27UK650W 27 inches monitor is a sensible investment that you'd be wise to take into account given its excellent tendency for eradicating any input latency. The LG 27UK650W is a very good 27 inches 4K IPS monitor with a low input lag for gaming and great SDR peak brightness. It has very good color accuracy, wide viewing angles, and a great resolution that will display every little detail. This monitor is excellent for media creation. Multiple windows can be opened with ease because of the wide screen and excellent resolution. Although the Adobe RGB color space is only partially covered, it still has very accurate and bright colors, which may be a drawback for those looking to utilize it for photo editing. Coming at number 4, Samsung CRG5. The Samsung C27RG5 is a well-priced monitor with a 27 inches 1080 PVA panel that, as one might imagine, offers great contrast. Additionally, it has acceptable black consistency and great gray uniformity. With strong peak brightness and effective management of reflections, it has no glare issues. It offers a few cutting-edge gaming features, including variable refresh rate compatibility, and it boasts a very high refresh rate. Sadly, it has poor ergonomics and a limited tilt range, making it challenging to position it in the best viewing position, and the image diminishes at an angle. But once that happens, you can anticipate your games displaying without tearing or irregularities thanks to its G-Sync technology. Colors are accurate and vibrant, giving video games an extraordinary level of realism. Number 3, Asus ROG Strix X G27AQ. This is Asus' second entry in the guide, and it offers a somewhat different combination of specs that tilt more toward the casual gamer than the competitive player. Due to its excellent versatility, this 27 inches monitor should be suitable for both casual users and die-hard gamers. With the aid of overclocking, the XG27AQ provides a WQHD 2560x 1440 IPS display with a 170 Hz refresh rate. Response time is 1 ms, and features include VESA Display DR400, eLMB Sync, and G-Sync. This entry-level HDR standard, as always, doesn't provide the best HDR performance. Nevertheless, it is still somewhat superior to having no HDR at all. As you might anticipate from an ASUS monitor, the stand's ergonomics are outstanding, and it looks fantastic overall. Enabling G-Sync can help you solve any screen tear problems you may be experiencing, and the fast refresh rate will keep your gaming experience fluid. Overall, a great monitor at a great price. Trust me. Coming at number 2, Dell Alienware AW25221H. If you're a sports fan, the Dell Alienware AW25221H is the best 1080p gaming monitor under $500. Although it shares the same 1080p resolution as the Acer Nitro XF243Y Pbmiiprx, there are a few key distinctions that make it a superior gaming option. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card and want to get the most of it, but it doesn't support FreeSync, it has a very high 360 Hz refresh rate with native G-Sync compatibility. The incredibly fast response time, especially while gaming at its maximum refresh rate, makes motion look extraordinarily smooth. To lessen persistent blur, it also features an optional lighting strobing feature, although it duplicates some of the images. You won't experience any input lag difficulties because the input lag is low even with VRR enabled, and gaming feels responsive. You won't need to get it calibrated to enjoy realistic colors because the picture quality is excellent right out of the box. Number 1. Dell S3221QS. The last but best monitor in this guide is the Dell S3221QS, a 4 Kelvin display that is suitable for both productivity users and casual gamers. You have a ton of desktop space thanks to the 4 Kelvin screen resolution, which enables you to use multiple tabs at once. Great picture quality is also provided by the additional resolution boost, but with more taxing on your PC's internal hardware. Even though this monitor only has a 60 Hz refresh rate, it nonetheless gives a respectable account of itself in single-player games. Furthermore, with a respectable 4 ms response time, you can't argue too much when you consider the price tag. Overall, this monitor is appropriate for all types of users, offering acceptable picture quality and colors for both casual gamers and multitaskers. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best gaming monitors under $500. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.